Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to transfer crypto from CoinSwitch straight to your own wallet. To make it super simple, we'll use Bitcoin to Ethereum as our example. Let's get right into it. First, head over to coinswitch.co. On the homepage, you'll see two drop-down menus. In the first one, you select BTC. In the second one, you get Choose ETH. Now type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to exchange, and you'll instantly see how much Ethereum you'll get at the current rate. Once you're happy, click the View All Offers button. Here's where CoinSwitch shows you a list of exchanges with different rates. You can pick the one that gives you the most Ethereum, or just go with the recommended option. When you're ready, click on it to move forward. Next. You'll need to provide your Ethereum wallet address. This is where your ETH will be sent once the swap is done. Make sure you double check it, because if you get this wrong, there's no way to recover your crypto. Read through the terms if you like, and when you're confident everything's correct, hit Next. Now CoinSwitch will give you a Bitcoin address to send your BTC to. Open your BTC wallet, paste in that address, and send the exact amount you entered earlier. Once your Bitcoin arrives, the exchange will automatically start converting it to Ethereum while your transaction is processing. CoinSwitch gives you a tracking link so you can follow it on the blockchain in real time. This is super handy if you want to see where your crypto is in the process. Once the exchange is complete, your Ethereum will be sent directly to your wallet. Sometimes your wallet might need a few extra confirmations before the ETH actually shows up. So don't panic if you don't see it instantly. Just give it a little time, and that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from CoinSwitch to your own wallet. If this was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more easy crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.